Key takeaways from the 23rd GST Council Meeting, composition scheme and more. In this video, we dive into the highlights of the 23rd GST Council Meeting, led by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. Discover the latest changes in the composition scheme, updates on GSTR compliance, relief for service providers, challenges for restaurants, and significant GST rate adjustments. Stay informed about the recent developments that shape India's taxation landscape. Composition Scheme Enhancements. Composition Scheme limit increased to 1.5 crore rupees with potential extension to 2 crore rupees. Manufacturers and traders under the scheme to pay a 1% GST rate. A 1% composition tax on the turnover of taxable goods, excluding exempted goods. Service providers supplying services not exceeding 5 lakhs rupees, also eligible for the composition scheme. Composition dealers restricted from making interstate sales and input tax benefit not allowed. GSTR compliance relief. All businesses to file GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B until March 2018. GSTR 2 and GSTR 3 filing dates for July 2017 to March 2018 to be determined by a committee of officers. Quarterly GSTR 1 filing for turnover under 1.5 crore rupees, monthly filing for turnover above 1.5 crore rupees. GSTR 3B to be filed by the 20th of the following month until March 2018. Extension of GSTR 1 filing due dates. Turnover up to 1.5 crore rupees. July to September, 31st December 2017. October to December, 15th February 2018. January to March, 30th April 2018. Turnover over 1.5 crore rupees. July to October, 31st December 2017. Nov 10th January 2018. DEC 10th February 2018. Jan 10th March 2018. Feb 10th April 2018. March 10th May 2018. Relief for service providers. Service providers with turnover up to 20 lakhs rupees exempt from GST registration. Interstate and e-commerce operators, suppliers included in the exemption. Challenges for restaurants. Restaurants' GST rate reduced to 5% without input tax credit. Different GST rates for restaurants within hotels based on room tariff. Taxpayer relief measures. No GST on advances received for goods by regular taxpayers. Late fees reduced for delayed filing of nil tax GSTR 3B. Late fees for GSTR 3B of July, Aug, and Sept waived, credited back to electronic cash ledger. Manual filing for advance ruling application introduced. Export of services to Nepal and Bhutan exempt from GST, refund of input tax credit allowed. Other extensions and changes. TRAN 1 filing and revision extended till 31st December 2017. Timelines for GSTR 2 and GSTR 3 filing for July to March 2018 to be determined. Filing extensions for various GST returns. GST rate changes. Manufacturers and traders under composition scheme taxed at 1%. Rate reductions. Shampoo, perfume, tiles, watches 28% to 18%. Wet grinders, tanks 28% to 12%. Condensed milk, refined sugar, diabetic food 18% to 12%. Desiccated coconut, idli dosa batter, coir products 12% to 5%. Dor meal, khandasari sugar dried vegetables 5% to nil. Different GST rates for restaurants within hotels based on room tariff. Conclusion. The outcomes of the 23rd GST Council meeting signify the government's commitment to refining GST regulations, offering relief to businesses, and streamlining compliance procedures. Stay tuned for more insights into India's evolving taxation framework.